Winter rains are all set to drench North India on the occasion of country's 68th Republic Day. According to Skymet Weather, the entire region will record fairly widespread rain and thundershower activities on January 26. The formation of induced cyclonic circulation over regions around the city, which may lead from moderate to light rains and thundershower, will have its effect from January 25 to January 27. We expect a few spell of rains or showers from Wednesday evening, said a Met Department official. While hilly states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand will witness heavy to very heavy rain and snow, plains of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, North Rajasthan and West Uttar Pradesh will record moderate rain and thunder showers. YOYO News, Hyderabad.